Alleged destruction of U.S. long-range radar by Iran. In the context of a rapidly escalating military confrontation across the Middle East in early 2026, Iranian forces have claimed successful strikes on multiple U.S. military installations and related infrastructure in the region. These claims follow a coordinated escalation that began when the United States and Israel conducted airstrikes against targets inside Iran. Iran responded with ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and drones directed at American bases and Allied facilities in the Gulf. One of the most significant Iranian assertions involves the destruction of an advanced American radar system, a long-range early warning installation reported to have an operational detection range of approximately 5,000 kilometers. According to statements from the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, this radar was targeted as part of Iran's response and completely destroyed in the strikes. The system is described as a key component of U.S. missile tracking and early warning capability in the region. Iranian official sources describe the radar as a strategic asset, with an estimated value exceeding $1 billion. Its destruction was portrayed as a tactical success meant to degrade U.S. missile defense coordination in the Gulf region. Independent verification remains limited. Some satellite imagery analysts report evidence of damage to U.S. radar and communications infrastructure across multiple Gulf bases, including installations near Saudi Arabia, Qatar, the United Arab Emirates, Kuwait, and Bahrain. Imagery shows destroyed or damaged buildings close to radar sites and command facilities, suggesting that Iranian strikes inflicted significant hits on long-range radar systems and associated communications nodes. However, authoritative confirmation, such as statements from the U.S. Department of Defense, Gulf governments, or independent military intelligence assessments, regarding the complete destruction of the specific 5,000 km range radar remains absent at this time. Official sources have not yet corroborated Iran's claims about the radar's status or full extent of the damage to U.S. missile defense networks. In addition to the radar claims, Iranian missiles and drones have struck several American and Allied facilities across the region. Bases in Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Qatar, the UAE, Bahrain, and Jordan reported strikes, some of which targeted communication infrastructure and early warning equipment integral to missile defense operations. Satellite imagery indicates structural damage near radar arrays and satellite communications systems, though the exact status of individual radar units is still under analysis. The broader conflict has also seen attacks on civilian and strategic assets, including Iranian drone strikes on Saudi oil infrastructure and alleged drone strikes on diplomatic facilities in Riyadh, which further underscore the highly unstable security environment. Summary: while Iranian sources assert that a long-range U.S. radar system with a range of roughly 5,000 kilometers was destroyed during retaliatory strikes, independent confirmation is lacking, and official U.S. responses have not yet verified those claims. Satellite imagery shows significant damage to radar and communications infrastructure across several U.S. bases, indicating a serious degradation of regional early warning capability. The situation remains fluid and subject to ongoing analysis.